GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share and join do all of these things, okay? So subscribe, like and share. Below the video you'll find some links. So you can join my swing setups membership here, the first link below, then join the brokers, join free Telegram at least, okay? And yeah, subscribe, blah blah blah. And coming back to the chart, starting your top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we're gonna go up. Okay, so today we have a lot of news coming in. We have to watch out for that. You can see the calendar all red. Okay, so news coming today. Be ready for the wicks and whipsaws. Now we are in the bullish. Okay, so yes, today's candle more likely. Today's candle more likely will close above. I think it's just 2 hours to go. Okay, so this high is taken by this candle by today. So we are bullish. Coming back to 4 hour. This is again your bullish engulfing. As you can see, this high is broken. Now where will you enter? Go and find that out because GBP USD follows Euro USD. Okay, so go and watch my Euro USD video which I uploaded just now. Euro USD is going up, which means GBP USD is going to follow. Okay, if you want precise entry and exit and signals and everything, then you can join my membership. First link below. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.